Okay, I just finished cleaning this side and now I can see much better the damage. Completely clean this side and I can see the big gouge right there. It goes through the hole, and then there's another repair right here, and then you can see the dent right there. Yep, that's a big dent right there. Scratch, and of course the real bad damage. So this is all the way into the fiberglass. So now that it's clean, now I can start working on the fiberglass repair on a clean surface. That way when it's dry, we'll find out whether it's going to need to be painted or just touch up.